Hello, welcome back to my class on secrets of math. Now, today I'm going to show you how to do something which is, it's just common. You're going to use a one-digit number to multiply a number in the teens, okay? And we'll see what we can do. Now, the example I gave here is 9 times 17, 6 times 14, 3 times 13, and 8 times 15. Okay. Now, let's see how fast we can. The answer to 9 times 17 is 1, 5, 3. Okay. The answer to 6 times 14 is 84. 3 times 13 is 39. And 8 times 15 is 120. Okay. Is that what you got? Okay. You should have. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this down for you in such a way that I'm going to show you the secret of doing numbers that are one-digit numbers in the teens. Okay. Now, I'm going to explain this to you in such a way that once you do this, you'll have a system where you'll always be able to just get the answer very quickly. Okay? Understand something. Whenever you have a number that is in the teens, you've got a 1 and then another number. Okay? Well, the thing about this is, the secret of this is that you don't really have to notice this number here. The one is implied, and it'll be given to you as an assistance as you move through the technique. Let me show you. If you look at this number here and you say, okay, 9 times 17, you got to think about it, okay? But you know 9 times 7, okay? So now let's break these down. Let's pretend the ones don't exist, and we'll just kind of go through these numbers. Here we go. This is 9 times 7, okay, which is 63. That's easy. 6 times 4 is 24. That wasn't too hard. How about 3 times 3? Oh, that's 9. It's easy. Okay. And finally, 8 times 5 is 40. Okay. That was really easy. Okay. So the point is, when we look at the numbers here and we see 1, we just don't really notice it for now. We just leave it there and focus on the simple math that we learned, back in first grade. So 9 times 7, we got it. 6 times 4, we got it. 3 times 3, we got it. And we've got 8 times 5. We got it. It's easy. So it's simple. Now what we do is we realize that we've been called upon to do something with this 1. The question is, which one? That's the question. Which one? Now, if I ask the question, what is 9 times 17? Then I know that I'm going to be dealing with the regular one by one, and then I'm going to be going back to one number to help me get the answer for the teens. But which one do I do? Okay. Well, the answer is the single number, the 1 number. Okay? Because when you're dealing with teens, you're dealing with a unit. You're dealing with 2 numbers. We got to go back to the original 1. So what we're doing is, in essence, we're going to place this 9 in front of this answer here to get the answer that we need. Okay? So watch. We already said 63. So now we take the 9 and we put it in front. Okay? We said 24. We take the 6 and we put it in front. We said 9. We take the 3 and put it in front. And we said 40, and we take the 8 and we put it in front. Okay? So now that's what we got. Now if you look here, you can see you've got a 9 and 63. You've got a 6 and 24. You've got a 3 and 9. And you've got an 8 and 40. Okay? So what does that mean? It means this. It means that you are going to do some simple math. You're going to add 9 and 6. You're going to add 6 and 2. You're going to place, because when you see a single digit number, you don't add it, you just place it. You're going to place the 3 next to the 9, and you're going to add 8 and 4. Okay? So now, again, this is done mentally, but you can do it on paper if you want, but the point is it's so easy to do because you deal with a single digit number, then you can just add it up. So let's go back to the beginning. The question was, what is 9 times 17? Okay, now the secret is you don't look at the 1. You simply say 63, and that's what you have in your mind. Okay, and then you go back to the 9, you place it in front of the 6. Now, through simple math, we all know that 9 and 6 is 15. Okay, so 15. What's left over? 3. Okay. Same thing here. You know that 6 times 4 is 24. Put the 6 in front. So you know that 6 and 2 is 8. So it's 8. And then you put the 4 down. Okay. You know that 3 times 3 is 9. You put the 3 in front of it, and you don't got to do anything because it's already done. Answer is 3, 9, 39. Okay. And the last one, you know that 8 times 5 is 40. You put the 8 in front of the 4, and you know that 8 and 4 is 12, and you put the 0. And that's the answer. You see how fast that was, how easy that was. And so that works all the time. That is the secret of this particular technique of multiplying a 1 digit by a 2. All right? Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to go back, and we're going to do another set of numbers, and we'll see what we can get out of this. All right. All right. So now this is what we have. Okay. So we're going to do it slowly, but that's why you can do it mentally. Okay. So let's start with the first technique. You're looking at 8 times 14. 8 times 14, and we know in our mind that we're really going to be focusing on 8 times 4, which is 32. Okay, and then we place the 8 in front of it. Okay, and then we say to ourselves, well, 8 and 3 is 11, so it's 1, 1, 2. Okay, good. Now we're looking at 2 times 16. We know that 2 times 6 is 12. So we have the 12. And then we put the 2 in front of that. So we put the 2 in front of that. And then we go, 2 and 1 is 3. So that's 3. And then we put down the 2. Okay, that was easy. Okay, next one, we're going to go 5 times 18. We know that 5 times 8 is 40. So we put down the 40. Okay. We put the 5 in front of the 4. And we know that 5 and 4 is 9. 5 and 4 is 9. And we put the 0. All right. And last, we have 7 times 17. We know that 7 times 7 is 49. We put the 7 in front of that. And we know that 7 and 4 is 11. And we have a 9 left over. And that's the answer. Okay? So that was very easy to do. And it came out very quickly. Okay? So that is the secret to math that you learned today, to do a 1 digit times any number in the teens. Okay. Enjoy that, practice that. Amaze your friends, your teachers, and yourself. If you like these videos, please come back for more. Please comment, share, and like, and subscribe. Again, this is John Morrison from Life Academy, giving you the secrets of math, helping you live your life better, learn better, and to learn how to share with others. Because that's all I do. I learn something and I share it to the world. Hopefully you'll do the same. Because all life is an academy, and Life Academy is for you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.